are going to do a math review today because tomorrow, Thursday, we're going to take a Show What You Know math test. So if you can find from your Topic 11 packet that was stapled together, page 655. Today we're going to do page 655 and 656 together. Okay, so we'll go over it together, have something to write with. Pause it if you need to go get your paper and something to write with, and then come on back and we're going to do this together. Okay, here we go. So this is just a review for our Show What You Know for tomorrow, and this says you can subtract tens. 40 minus 30 equals, you need to subtract 30, which is 3 tens. So cross out that many tens. So if I have 10, 20, 30, 40, I cross out 1, 2, 3 tens, which is really crossing out 30. Count the tens and ones that are left. Well, I don't have any ones, so I only have 1 10 left. And that's a 10 here, right? So 40 minus 30 equals 10. All right, cross out the tens, write the difference. So 60 minus 40. I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I'm going to cross out 10, 20, 30, 40, and that leaves me with 10, 20 left. So 60 minus 40 equals 20. Number 2 is 50 minus 20. Okay, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I have to cross out 20, 10, 20, and that leaves me with 10, 20, 30. So 50 minus 20 equals 30. All right, look here. This says you can use a hundredths chart to subtract tens. Remember, we find the bigger number and then we have to count up. So this says 80 minus 20 equals, I start at my 80 and there's 20. So that's 1 10 up, which is 70, and 2 tens up, which is 60. So 80 minus 20 equals 60. Thumbs up if you're getting this so far. All right, awesome. Let's look at the next one. This is partial hundredths chart to subtract the tens. Okay, so I have 70 minus 20. So I'm going to find my 70, and if it's 20, that's 2 tens. So I go up 1, I go up 2, and I should end up at 50. So 70 minus 20 equals 50. Now remember, on the test, the Show What You Know, you use whichever way works best for you. Then this says 60 minus 10. So now I have to find the 60 on my hundredths board, which is right here. And I have to go up 10, which is going up 1 square. So I'm going to go back up to my 50 again. And 60 minus 10 equals, one more time, our answer is 50. Okay, if you got confused, you can play this part of the video over again. If you're ready to go on, you're going to flip your paper like a pancake. And we're going to look at page 656 now. And we're going to do the last couple problems together. This one says, you can use mental math to subtract tens. Find 46 minus 10. And it says there's 4 tens minus 1 10, which equals 3 tens. Remember, your ones stay the same. So 46 minus 10 equals 36. And you see we just went 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We crossed out 1 10, and we had 36 left. All right, so we're going to do the same thing. We're going to just think tens and keep the ones the same. So 62 minus 10. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5s are hard to make upside down, guys. And my 1s stay the same, which is a 2. So 62 minus 10 is 52. 89 minus 10. 8 minus 1 is 7. My 1s stay the same, which is a 9. So 89 minus 10 equals 79. 27 minus 10. All right, so 2 minus 1 is 1, but it's in my tens place. My 1s stay the same, which is a 7, which makes it 17. So 27 minus 10 equals 17. So that's how you can think your tens, okay? Thinking habits. Model with math. Can I use a drawing, diagram, table, or graph to model the problem? How can I make my model better if it doesn't work? So that's something you need to think about. So if one way is not working for you, you can try a different way. All right, that's here, our last one. Write an equation to solve. Use drawings or models to show your work. This says a store has 50 toy boats. They sell 10 boats. So they had 50 and they sell 10. So think, are we putting them together or are we taking them apart? All right, they sold 10, so we're going to take them apart. How many toy boats does the store have now? That's our other clue there. Have now. They don't have them all. They gave some away. All right, so I'm going to turn this for a second so I don't have to write upside down. And I'm going to do my model first, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, and I'm going to show you this way. If there's 50 and they sell 10, I take one away, and that leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, which tells me that there's 40 boats left. I'm going to show you 2 more ways before we go. 40 boats are left, okay? And they're toy boats. I should probably write toy. They're not real boats. Okay, another way I can do it is I can use my think cloud, and I can think 5 minus 1 equals 4. And that's going to give me 40 again, right? Because I'm only thinking my tens place, and I'm keeping my ones the same. And my ones was a 0 and a 0. So that's like 10 less, okay? And then I can always do my T and O trick if nothing else is working for me, or if that's the one I like best. And I can do T-O, 50, and 10. And I subtract my ones place first, because when I count, I say 1 first when I start counting, right? So that's 0. And again, 5 minus 1 is 4. So my answer is 40. And it's 3 different ways you can solve that, okay? So do this over again if you were confused, or if you need to ask mom or dad to make another practice sample up for you. You can do that too. And then tomorrow we'll take the Show What You Know math test together. All right, have a great afternoon. Bye, guys.